Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be an update of my landlord and tenant process. I had a hearing today, a virtual hearing on Zoom with the courts today, and today is January 13th. It was at 11 a.m. So what happened was the person for, or I guess the attorneys or whoever for the complex that I used to live in, they petitioned to have it thrown out because when I very first filed, I filed under the apartment's name and um, not the not the organization's name. Um, I petitioned under the complex name, which is the managing company that's now managing the property, instead of using the corporation's name, which I didn't know at the time that that's what I needed to do. Um, but I had got a letter stating that they were trying to throw it out because I put the complex name. So I in turn called the courts to the self-help part and asked questions, and the gentleman that answered the phone had told me to just cross it out and write amended on it and put the date and my initials on it, which I did. So when it was my turn to speak, that's what I had said to the judge, that I did what I was advised to do. And I can't remember exactly the words he said, but I think he was asking me, did I get it like notarized or certified or something to that effect? And I didn't, because when I called to ask about it, no one said to do that. So because of that, now I have to go back and do a motion. I have to go and do a motion. And I have 10 days to do that. So I'll be going to the courts again tomorrow to file for a motion. I already spoke to someone. They told me that I don't have to pay for it because I initially paid for uh, the hearing that I had today. So that's what's going on with that. I have to go and file a motion and just hope that it doesn't take another year to get this get this done and taken care of, because the property, they owe me my security deposit. I paid it. I cleaned the apartment out very good, left no type of trash or anything in there, and I cleaned it out. Only thing I actually needed to do was probably go in and paint and lay carpet, which is natural. I was in there about 3 years, but that's it. Everything else was cleaned. The refrigerator, everything, the kitchen, bathroom, rooms, vacuum, wiped down everything. So it's just a point of them not wanting to pay that money. And funny thing, I did get a phone call a few weeks before this hearing, and I saw when I answered when the phone was ringing, it had the name of my old complex. So I answered it, and there was someone asking me how much did I pay for a security deposit. And I'm like wondering, a year later, why is somebody calling me asking me what did I pay for a security deposit? Because now they're trying to pay that fee because they knew the court date was coming up. But I told the young lady, because of all the stuff that they put me through that was totally unnecessary, I shouldn't have anybody calling me a year later asking me what I paid for a security deposit. I'm going to go on with the hearing. And the hearing took place today, and this is the outcome. I'm not happy about it, but I'm not going to sleep on it either. I'm going to get that money. I'm going to get what's due me, and I'm going to get 3 times the amount of that security deposit. I will fight it until the end, because they should not have treated me, or nobody should treat anybody this particular way. If you move in a unit, you move out, you do a security deposit, they need to just give you your security deposit. Unless it's a legible reason that they don't. And in my case, there is not one. So that's what I'll be doing tomorrow. I'll be getting up and going down to the courts and file for this motion. And like I said, just hope it don't take another year for things to go through. Maybe it won't, because now they can do virtual stuff and things like that. But that's so far, that's what's happening, and that's what's going on. And in other news, I did go and get my commission. So I am now a licensed notary public. I don't have all my necessary things that I need to actually notarize documents. I haven't gotten my seal yet, and I haven't gotten my insurance yet. So once I do that, I can notarize documents. But as this is my letter, and as everyone should know that I'm going to be, I'm pursuing becoming a loan signing agent, a notary signing agent, a notary loan signing agent, whomever want to call it. But that's what I'm pursuing, and I'm planning to do it online. So, our online notary signing agent. And so far, I'm just at the notary part now, where I'm a certified notary public. I have the paper upside down. Sorry, guys. Well, I am a certified notary public. So, again, I don't have my stamp yet because I just became certified on the 6th of this month. And then with this court stuff coming up today, and I have some other things up to too. So, there's a lot going on. I have a business venture that I'm about to start that I won't mention just yet because it's supplies, and for me it's money. It takes money to do everything. I need money to take a course called the TIPIC course. It's a title company. I have to go to a title company and get a license in order to become a notary signing agent. So I have to pay for that course. That course is $169, and then there's 2 more parts. That's just a practice test. Then it's 2 more parts to the course. So I have to pay for those 2, and I have to pay for my supplies for my other business venture. It's said that we should at least have, I guess, 5 to 7 streams of income. So I'm working on 2, and I'm kind of working on them at the same time. Like I said, funding is just what's the issue for me. So I'm trying to do it in order and get the supplies as I can, as I'm able to. YouTube also, that's another stream of income. So I'm working on 3 streams of income. My channel haven't gotten to where I wanted to get to yet. I'm still looking for my particular audience. I have some faithful people, what they call ride or die. I have some faithful YouTubers that faithfully watch my videos and watch the ads and support me. And I thank you so much for that. But I need a lot more supporters, a lot more subscribers and viewers to reach a certain level. I'm working really hard to do all that I want to do, and I'm going to accomplish them all. That's for sure. It's just a matter of timing and how long, because of trying to get the monies. Nobody's giving loans for startup business now, really, and if you have to already have a business to apply for an EIDL, some type of loan or funding, and it's just mine. It's just startup, so I'm praying that something comes through. Tax time is coming. Hopefully, I'll get a nice amount where if I can't get everything taken care of, I can get some. But you guys, as my viewers, my supporters, I just ask you to continue to watch the ads. And this lady here is really trying to make something of herself, and she's gonna. But I do appreciate you guys all the same. I think I've touched on everything that I wanted to touch on as far as the landlord and tenant court, the update on my notary, that I'm now a commit licensed notary public, and my new other business venture that I'm working on now. I'm drinking coffee. I have it's some type of chocolate, sugar-free creamer, and it's really good. It tastes like a chocolate smoothie. Chocolate cream is really good, but yep, I might be uploading a mukbang soon. I still have quite a few videos of mukbangs from 2019 and some from 2020, and I don't have any for this year. I haven't done any. I don't think I'm going to do any because I have so many that I need to upload. So hopefully that'll be coming soon. And also, I applied for a grant. I applied for a $10,000 grant, which is a grant is money that you don't pay back. And they give these grants out to women for business. And every month, they do it once a month. And at the end of the year, they do a 25,000 to one person at the end of every year. But every month, they give away $10,000 to someone. I mean, you just have to go online and apply and have a big, have your business and have a good reason of why you think you should be chosen or selected to get that money and things like that. So they have monthly winners every month. I'm hoping that I be the winner for December because I really want to get started and kick off everything and start doing some loan signings and start my little business up that I'm going to start up. So, and if anyone out here is interested in starting whatever type of business or whatever, and you need funding, and you're interested in knowing about this loan, it's only for women. You can put it in the comments, and I'll put a link. I'll send you the link to the website where you can go on and apply for the loan. Now you do have to pay $15 through PayPal. You pay $15 through PayPal, and then you just submit your information. Very short form. It's very straightforward. They ask you a few questions, about why do you think you need a loan and things like that. But it's very, very straightforward. And I mean, it's worth $15 if you could win, if you could possibly get $10,000 to start a business venture. Okay, guys. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for tuning in, and again, thanks for the support. I appreciate you all. This is the V, which is me, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys again on the next one, and thanks again for watching.